Welcome back. So in the last video we talked about how we can embed a YouTube video inside of Knowledge Forum. And if you haven't seen that video yet, please go back and look at that video. Here we're going to go a little bit deeper with what you can do with an embedded video. Now you might notice that when I open up this video and click play,
photosynthesis,
you'll see that it doesn't start right at 0. It actually starts at the 8-second mark. And that's because there was an introduction that I really didn't care to include in this video. So I wanted to skip over that and get right to the part of the video that I wanted to take a look at, or that I wanted to share with my peers and the community. So in order to do that, we'll go back here, and I'll go back and show you those steps again. So we'd clicked share, and then from this page we had clicked on embed to embed the video. And once you've clicked that check mark beside start at, and you've set the time in minutes and seconds that you want to start your video, you can go ahead and click this copy button. Now that you've copied that text, we can go back to Knowledge Forum. We can create a new note. We'll go over to this tags button here, and you see it says source code below. Again, we'll select the existing code, we'll paste the new code over it, and hit OK. And now you'll see that when we click on this play button, it'll begin at the 9-second mark. And there you go. You see how it switched from 9 to 10 seconds. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.